to officially gas. Let's get it. So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today we are back with an absolutely crazy video. The numbers are just getting dumb now. We have a 2,000 wheel horsepower, rear wheel drive, 8.4 litre twin turbo sequential Dodge Viper, and we're taking it for a tear up. Guys, this is gonna be absolutely sick. So stay tuned and let's get it. Nicholas, welcome to the channel. Nicholas from LCE Performance.
Yeah, that's right.
Massive shout out to Amir before we get going from ES Motor. You guys actually work pretty much hand in hand with ES Motor.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. We're the ES Motor distributor for Germany, and we also opened up our new headquarters here in Phoenix, Arizona.
Got ya.
Together with AIM Performance, they're based in New Jersey. We're trying to get some fresh sauce here over to the US and bring some nice Porsche over here, and we're also based like into European vehicles like Mercedes, BMW, Audi and stuff like this. In Germany we're pretty famous for the sport quattros, you know, but over here we're just getting the fast cars on the track and on the roads. Bring some fun over to the US,
You're from the Netherlands?
Yeah, nearby the Netherlands. So.
You live in Germany, you're out in America, you tune German cars and build German cars, but we've got an American car right here.
That's true.
2,000 wheel horsepower Viper, is it?
Yeah, that's true. That's a car made of one of our distributors over here in Texas, CALVO Motorsports.
Yep.
So if you want to get an LC tune for your BMW or Mercedes, just reach out to Antonio CALVO Motorsports in Austin, Texas.
Got ya.
And he made a nice setup because he is famous for these twin turbocharged Vipers.
Yes.
So you take a natural aspirated car with a huge engine, with an 8.4 liter engine inside.
8.4 liters.
Put some massive turbos on it. And you got a fun car that's like, it's hard to explain for me. You know, I just drove it a couple months ago for the first time and I was like, that's crazy. Because if you look in the engine bay, it nearby looked like stock.
It looks pretty stock. We were saying this earlier. I mean, look, you've got the clamps here, but apart from that, there's nothing untoward. You can't even see the turbos. They're hidden right down somewhere down where I can't even see. You can kind of see boost pipes behind here. I'm not sure if the camera's showing it, but apart from that, a pretty stock looking package, right?
That's true.
Something special inside. These big power Vipers generally, well, they're manual from factory. To compete out here with the big boys, they do something special with the gearbox.
They're running a PPG, a sequential transmission in it.
Amazing.
It sounds weird, but all of these customers, they drive the cars like daily.
Man.
That's like super crazy for me or crazy for people like from Germany, you know. But the sequential over here is like a daily driven car for them. Just needs some more service, but they're super reliable. So still based on the stock engine over here.
Oh, so it's got pistons and rods?
Yeah, it's a built engine with H-beams. Got the CALVO camshafts inside. Got the Zona rotor turbochargers inside. So it's quite modified, but still running like an air intercooler, no water to air intercooler. Like the big kids, they run water to air intercooler in the trunk. But it's pretty solid and it's still running on a pump gas map on map 1. So you just pull over on the pump and fill it up and ready to go.
That's crazy. So just so there's no confusion, pump gas out here is E85?
Yeah, so like E85 pump gas, over here in Texas it's 93, in Arizona it's 91 pump gas, so it's a bit less than our premium pump gas that we know in UK or in Europe. But you can just hop on a pump gas station over here. The problem is they sell it as E85, but it's something between E50 and E85.
So you can't trust it on
But they're running just like an ethanol analyzer or an ethanol content analyzer, and the Motec just adjusted the power label to your ethanol content inside the car.
Okay. Also, you just mentioned it's on Motec, so standalone aftermarket ECU there.
Standalone. If you just go around on the other side, I know it's hard to see because you're not able to see it because it's looking like OEM. So it's hidden under here. You just see the hub for the cable to connect it to the Motec software.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
And they're running a complete Motec system with a map switch via the cruise controller on the steering wheel. You just switch the map. It's running on 7 different maps. So map 7 is like the fun map.
Okay.
Everything below is also fun but less power.
Got ya. And I mean, today we have picked a bit of a wet, damp day, drizzly day. And for the people at home that don't know, this only sends all of that power to those rear wheels, which are semi-slicks. And it's wet. So how do you reckon it's going to get down today?
We will see. So we will just warm it up and drive safely, because the next thing is this car is for sale. So CALVO's looking for a new customer, and we don't want to mess it up.
Of course.
He just gave us the option to show it around to you guys, so we will see.
All right.
But it's a fun car. And it's running the Toyo Triple R8, so it's still street legal over here in the US. Because they got the dot number. That's fine.
Okay, cool. I know a lot goes into these cars, and I know it's a pretty brief chat, and apologies to everyone watching at home for any wind noise because it's super windy out here. But I think what myself and perhaps everyone at home want to see is this thing get down. So shall we hit the road?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's go.
Just hop in.
Oh man, this is nuts. This car is so aggressive. I know it's like quarter throttle, but the whole thing is...
And we are still running on map 2 out of 7. So
map 2 out of 7, man.
Just to warm her up a bit.
Yeah.
Like I said, she's for sale. I don't want to mess her up.
Of course.
But I think you need to have rough hands and a rough foot on the throttle to mess her up. Because that's a solid American bulletproof build.
Sick. And guys, it is so loud in here too. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, the interior looks so stock, and I guess the engine bay looks kind of stock. But the noise that comes out of this thing is, you know, it's what, 8.5 litre?
8.4 litres.
8.4 litre. Yeah, this is all mad. It's all mad.
It's also got like an upgraded drum, how you call it, the oil sump, dry oil sump.
Oh, so it's a dry sump on it too?
Yeah, it's a dry sump on it.
Got ya.
Brushless fuel pump, so you're not able to run like an OEM fuel system on this power level, and also not on ethanol. You need way more, bigger injectors and bigger pumps.
Got ya. Serious bit of kit this. Crazy thing is this, oh man, there's nowhere to hold on to. Okay.
Here we go.
Oh my god.
Map 2.
That's map 2, the boost when that comes in, the sound of the ignition cut on the shifts. Woo! Yes!
This thing during the night is just spitting flames.
Everything okay?
No, just the map switch.
Oh, you hit, oh, okay.
I need to turn her off for the map switch.
Okay. Oh, what, we going up a map?
Yeah. It was just for warming her up.
Okay. Oh, that was the warm-up?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I love it. I thought there was an issue. I know, just turning her up.
Like I told you, really, they're super solid.
Oh, man. Do you know what? Up until this point, no one's probably been able to hear a word we've said.
Probably not.
But just enjoy the smiles and engine noises.
You hear her spooling down?
So that is the turbos still spinning. I don't know if you guys are picking it up, but that's the turbos.
Let's take the 5.
We're going up to map 5?
Yeah.
From 2.
There we go.
And what clutch has it got in it then? Like, because you're making it look quite smooth pulling away.
Yeah, it's not too hard. It's not too hard. It's okay. You just need like a smooth foot on it. Yeah. But it's just to accelerate, you know. You don't need it for downshifting or upshifting. It's sequential, so.
Oh, so you do clutchless downshifts in this too?
No. I'm not.
Cool.
I'm not. Just hit the sig.
Got ya.
And most important thing is don't touch it like a wifey. You need to smack that thing, really.
Smack it like a wife beater.
You need to smack it.
Oh man.
That's the first lesson I learned on this Viper.
Okay.
Smack her.
Oh man, this is a scary car.
Oh, traction!
Is that the traction control?
Traction.
Mate!
No fucking traction.
And the way it's still moving, like that's kind of a long corner.
Yeah.
This car is honestly, like, this is a scary car. Second gear. Yes! Brother, you've just topped the list, man. This, mate, I've never felt acceleration like that. I honestly don't think and the way he's putting it down in these subpar conditions, rear wheel drive, being as aggressive as you're being with it, this is insane. Honestly guys, this is insane. And once again, sorry for the dying light, but this had to be captured. I could not miss the opportunity. This is something else, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like it's a completely different, you know. We do a lot of high-powered Porsche. These things are fast, but you can feel the power in this thing, you know.
It's
That's like
the vibrations
massive.
like throughout
That's
the car,
massive.
the engine displacement, the turbos, the sequential, the noises, the feel, man. I hope I'm picking it up somehow for you guys at home, but this is mad. I can't get over this. You're just used to this now, or no? Does it still catch you by surprise? Because you're driving it well. You know what I mean?
So, like I told you, I'm hanging around a lot with CALVO and all the guys from CALVO Motorsport. So, it's not the first ride in this Viper or in a Viper.
Yeah.
But it's completely different. And to be honest, I'm way too tall for this car.
I can tell your head straight to the
I
roof.
wanted to race it on in Abilene at a shift sector event just for fun, and I was not able to sit inside with the helmet. So the technician of CALVO, Charlie, he just took her on and he made a great job so far.
Yeah.
I stayed with my Porsche and the BMWs and everything.
Yeah. But what an experience, man. Thank you, man. Honestly, thank you for.
Yeah.
That's my first Viper experience. You know, we're out in America. It's Texas. I know it's getting a little bit dark, but yeah, man, I've absolutely loved that, man. Absolutely love that. All right, guys, so we have just pulled back up from what I'm gonna call a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a 2,000 wheel horsepower sequential 8.4 litre twin turbo Dodge Viper, and I just want to shake your hand, Nicholas. Thank you so much, man, because it's been a great experience. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Just thank you.
It was a pleasure for me, really. It was a pleasure for me to show you the car out of CALVO Motorsports. He just ran out of time, otherwise he would take you out for a test drive.
Got you.
But the guys are still preparing the cars for the upcoming days, you know, here at TX2K. And yeah, like I told you, if anybody's like interested in also like European car tuning, if you don't want the Dodge Viper, but you're living in Austin or Texas, just reach out to all our guys in Austin. Or we are based in Phoenix. If you're in Arizona or Las Vegas, just reach out to LC.
Cool. Well, I'll definitely be leaving links to everyone he's just mentioned. And a massive shout out to CALVO Motorsport too for building such a beast. And yeah, I'll leave that down in the description. Any socials you also want me to leave will be down there, so you guys will find everything you need. And yeah, if you have enjoyed today's video, smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.